Hi guys, this REMO Hobby SMAX is fast and it had a hard life during the summer. The result is a completely disintegrated pinion and spur gear. The chassis also has a big crack in it. So let's fix this thing. First let's have a look how it looks like inside the gearbox. The gears are completely ruined. So we will mount this new pinion. As well as the original plastic spur gear. This looks really bad. Lots of shavings inside the gearbox. So let's remove the motor, so we can replace the pinion. This time I will use the pinion in its stock condition. I will not reduce the 2.3 mm bore to 2 mm. So it will be a little bit wobbly on the 2 mm motor drive shaft. Time will tell if this is a problem or not. Always use Loctite to secure your pinion. Always make sure that the axial position of your pinion matches with your spur gear. That's it, the new pinion is mounted. So let's remove the top cover so that we can remove the central drive shaft. So here we have the central drive shaft. As you can see, the zinc die cast spur gear is completely destroyed. I assume that the combination of a zinc die cast spur gear with a brass pinion is a really bad combination in terms of wear. That's why I will switch back to the plastic spur gear. That's it, the plastic spur gear is back in place. As you can see, there are a lot of remainings of the gears inside the gearbox. The next step is to replace the cracked chassis. Here you can see the crack line in the chassis, which was glued a while back. The destroyed chassis is now free, and the only thing we have to remove is the ESC. Now we are ready to mount the new chassis. In order to reduce the probability that the chassis will crack again, we want to remove some sharp edges. Now we are ready to reassemble the gear train. The next step is to reinstall the steering servo. Next step, reassembling the suspensions. Now we want to reinstall the metal dog bones. The chassis is now almost reassembled. final step is to reinstall the motor. Because this car was not in drivable condition anymore, I took the micro RC receiver for the WL Toys A959 brushless conversion in the meantime. So I will have to assemble a new one and add it later. Okay, that's it. The mechanics are ready again. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Bye!